by fire, by thunder.
Amen.
By fire, by thunder.
Amen.
I decree and declare.
Amen.
Say, Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia will win.
Amen.
Amen.
He will win.
Amen.
Tomorrow's election.
Yeah.
It will be a certain Konkotunaba. Who born dog? Who born dog? Who born dog? Who born dog? Actually, who born bois? I decree and declare.
Amen.
By fire, by thunder.
Amen.
By fire, by thunder.
Amen.
I decree and declare.
Amen.
Say, Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia.
Nana Akufo-Addo was asking me why I'm refusing to debate Bawumia. You know, Bawumia doesn't deserve a debate. He is losing this election. I will not elevate him to my level and go and sit and debate him. Ezu, their campaign is failing. They have no message. And so he wants to be elevated to my level. No. I know my level. Ezu, you see, in 2012, I was sworn in as president, and I went into that election as the sitting president. They called for a debate. I made myself available. I debated Nana Akufo-Addo. In 2016, I was the sitting president. IEA organized the debate. I made myself available. Nana Akufo-Addo refused to take part in the debate. In 2020, he was the sitting president. He refused to take part in a debate. But the one who responded to me when we made the call for the debate is the current flag bearer of the NPP, who is asking me for a debate. Has he forgotten what he said? That I should go to Sangma and go and debate the farmers of Sangma who don't have fertilizer. That I should go to Abosokai and go and debate the spare parts people who cannot buy dollar because dollar is 3 point something to 3 cedis point something to the dollar. He said I should go and debate the taxi drivers and the drivers who cannot buy petrol. This is the same Bawumia today asking me for a debate. As for him, the people he will debate are many. He should debate the nurses who are sitting at home who have not been posted. He should go and debate the teachers who are home who have not been posted and debate them about their licensure exams. He should go and debate the fishermen who cannot get premix and they have to go and buy premix from hairdressing salons. He should go and debate the unemployed youth who have finished school 4 years ago and till date cannot find work. Has he forgotten? That is what he told me. So today, why do you want to debate me?
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Keonna Trends GH. This is the political segment show. And as all you know, this afternoon we are bringing the hottest and the latest and exclusive political segment you need to know. So this afternoon, I'm here. My name is Sedinam Jacob Yao. I'm presenting you the next political segment, the hottest news, the latest in town. So the next 1 hour, just be my guest. So, but before then, let me just take you through the various topics you're about to go through. Inti makabro fo kakra, inti mama income fante kakra fantrim. Inti mama beka ne there, and they ever be in political segment. Inti political segment, you know, your 3 topics and they pay a treat. Inti first one, your chema Wontumi. Ne triple cases be our courts are still quarter even though our prison. And a second one also Babeka Dennis Miracles Aboagye Abebrina was Yoko. Why Miracles Aboagye no dono. on Sebeka no asem. You are Nebeka, Sedinam, Tamakulo, recent na it's no in some bebre or into Ebeka no asem. But before then, before you go into the details of the topics, you know, Yabaka Kaji, yen adverts and a yen cantor aba into our when young cartoon. Okay, into yen go straight to the topic. Yen go straight to the yen various topics na one. Into your Chema Wontumi any Yoko. Into Chebiana yet today, Chema Wontumi watching a war high court sentencing them uncle them 20 years a war in Sawon prison. So what's the genesis of all these stories? Into your kind of air 2019 war and they wound their summer test. One Chema Wontumi summer test or summer test timber processing. One Chema Wontumi will call air court on sensem. So basically, the court issue no work any day. Some matters what chere Chema Wontumi wa be invade one concession or illegal mine or it one Wontumi court. Emma court ni di assembly man some matters so. Emma court no order Wontumi them mama hear them adini bim. Or chairman wonderful. You want 2023 Erastus Asari oye multimedia in central for oye journals or Love FM. And the reports be by say Chema Wontumi we invade the concession be summer boy come but concession or a legal concession but inyama all kodu onu oye illegal inyama legal concession no do it ma or raise eyebrows for Catholic Bishop conferences any CSO so they then petition the then president President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the former president Emma president to cry back at eba category but out Beka said Wontumi is not doing illegal mining way back and obian kasashi to one 2025 2024 to aba Unpacking John Dramani ba mahama eba abemu Emma order Yoko yen hwehwem say they should investigate into these illegal complexes and illegal activities occurred or summer welcome. Until when Yoko and Attorney General file rift high court Emma almost said charges Chema Wontumi. So the basically of all the genesis of in some way na make any day. Chema Wontumi watching court and a court card won't give them 20 years. Now the whole issue is according to Chema Wontumi, yes, it's true. On your legal concession, if he lands a minerals minister or the then lands a minerals minister, Honorable Samuel Abujinapo, and legal concession. But the problem with the concession is them, your man concession, only the nepe, Emma Obia a friend or okum, sell on by reclamation, was assassin. But in Chishumo Channel day, reclamation or any na okum ke. Reclamation one ke or are there a okum ke or on the okay galam say okay illegal mine or concession no do Chema Wontumi no or legal mine war it's an Emma raise eyebrows it's on a judging beside Chema Wontumi there it's any there a okum no or illegal mine war assassin no do also only plus awu abasem na like ebe dey na kare nim because at the yam legal concession legal concession or they everything legally to abandon like a fa or okum don be reclamation do no so no any nipa to catch reclamation na judging bisane intermen is card on reclamation or si dabi na judging yes how many come meaning there are there so on ye no on ye galamsin in empesi kan to no on fa reclamation na Chema Wontumi si dabi on dem no leka na judging one kasa mom ye hwe company soon our company be a friend household mining firm household mining firm no where reclamation incident na for them reclamation na for my shareholding company of household no na ono ontumi ano na kaide 2003 no president Kofoba abem no or the mrebi be proud to 2000 no obi aso na olutu asase obi aso na wonya asase on galamse na president Kofoba si dabi opede or regulate ade no into all the mining act be by mining act no call parliament parliament o hihye brade si se pere etu asase na ede legal mining na ti the enya permit form lands and natural resource minister ho no omo permit na de ye ade ede legal mining na pede ye ni no na eyewie na se pere bibi difference wo odro ti enya permit ni fi lands and natural minerals minister ho And 2015, prior to that 2015, class that 2003, no, Sam Brandon Shishano, Wakade, if we default on that loss now, a bit them 3 years. Fast forward, what about 2019, 2020? Aya Omanpeyin Akufado Breno Dono. Fast forward, Wababe Shem Brenim, Wakade, if we default on this act now, a bit them 20 years to 25 years. Into one now, judge and every man the room to me there. Them in Yemen is an act of treason. Into because of that, into Yema acted them 25 years. Because in some day, you know, any FCK approval from the minerals, the lands and minerals minister, the then Abujina Paul there, made to me legal concession area, Bampede me Obima, or ye reclamation or do. Into me the concession lema every okum. No, I can't reclamation. Into where be say baby swadra. The minister will not hold you responsible, but will hold a okum responsible. But Wontumi ain't full. Enter now oban them no, they set charge Wontumi. And I kai them. Obey them no, not the prosecutor witness, na a okum. It's because of that, Wontumi charge a okum. No obey the ni crime nor committing, they'll give him a reduced sentence. Abi Obama will try some penalty be obey a charge you can obey to meet you. It's on a woman. Wontumi the jail. I was summer boy question. Second one, Tanum Rim Forest. Sa Tanum Rim Forest, no. Any the one and only obi besi the illegal act any chama Wontumi ankasa akonta mining is engaging. Who can say in our parliament act no and I am brim no. Your baby said we do not mine in forest reserves. But Wontumi ain't helpful because he sees himself as a chairman, as a regional chairman of the ruling party. The regional chairman the stronger base of the party in so he seems as himself as a demigod. When helpful, and no I didn't pay a called Tanu room for him okay galam say. Into Kaiden need the massam or pending our high court war on solidity. Into all prison was also leading them. Tanu Room Forest case no asking. Young Connie ni third case. Ni third case or court to saw other pending the Ghana Exim Bank versus Wontumi. You carry a interview by around 2023-2024. Chama Wontumi granting interview there. Oye maize farming being maize farming oye no in so abefa flat B flat AC farm man. Ebroninia, why you efi? Sorry, one fan chem why. Ebroninia, why you efi? Assassin do. It's all them a buying all about by shim nos. I send the wounds well kid on shut down to shum tea shim chip. It's all you shim no there. Senator ma wound me. I can just kefi MC Bank or there or the year farming. Now them farming no. Kiane ke wambado and de na wambado echina na wambado eneda. It's all also no Wontumi ade no it comments to perjury and the fraud until there yes they charge you. It's a one Wontumi or G2 there he has committed a crime. So he enters something you call plea bargain. In one year plea bargain now means say you accept that you are at fault of the crime you committed. So you want to pay an amount to prove yourself innocent. It's a nena Wontumi na opedo here. But I will call back and forth to know the Attorney General. They were not pleased with the plea bargain, the amount Wontumi wanted to pay. According to the Attorney General, they want Wontumi to pay $30 million plus interest because it was 2023. As the year go back, we go back and so interest or soon. So interest of the $30 million plus the $30 million. It's also the pending and the hanging our court war. It is a rich amount to me as it is a uncle Dennis Miracles Aboagye. Okay, before then, Bema me senior man, me producer will be some sense and Sana Yatuado. Boss.
Sedu.
Nana.
Odin Simpi atu.
Oh, Nana, no. That's so.
Chama Wontumi case no. Na me who say recently no.
Nana.
I say you can't say opposition. Ye press conferences be. Omo press conference no mo ye no. Omo pese omo ya ma no koye say Wontumi tie na ya che no na ye political
prison.
And also a political prisoner.
Okay.
Omo ni say bia ne nsem bia okose sai okokan ye.
Yeah.
Eti a man panyin John Dramani Mahama no. ɛna ɛno nam so ama yɛayɛ dɛn
Achi.
yɛakye me question ne sɛ mmerɛ yɛ da hɔ yɛ a ɛdi Chama Wontumi no hwan na de saa mmara no baa Ghana ha?
Oh, to be frank, Nana, what can in ya? On say yeah, Kasa make 2 laws. One in 2003. On the other one, sorry, put them make 29. No, the other one was 2022, 2023. All those 2 laws happened under the MPP regime. Into MPP for one of the buy.
MPP na de saa mmara no yɛ
MPP na de mbra ne buy.
ɛbae
Sure.
fine eti nsɛm yi a according to nsɛm no a waka no na that means evidence sɛ pie wɔ court a biribi biara kyerɛ sɛ Chama Wontumi
Sure.
odi for
completely.
biribi biara kyerɛ
Now, only the funny thing, the judge no man Chama Wontumi ample time to prove that Oyono no ma eri okum. So on base idea no. But I say the judge was ya pende o ashe kona say kase eyewo and enyewo but Wontumi improve.
oh okay eti no sisia no bibia evidence kyerɛ
Sure.
sɛ Chama Wontumi di for na wakɔ akɔdam nti ɛnyɛ onye political prisoner sɛne opposition ka no
political prisoner say.
na me question is say saa deɛ opposition na ɛyɛ ɛfa Wontumi issue no no
Sure.
metumi aka kyerɛ sɛ woba Ghana ha metumi aka sɛ 80% of Ghana fo nyinaa ɛyɛ okay ɛni agye
Eyampa.
sɛ Chama Wontumi akɔdam ɛwɔ saa galamsey nsɛnsɛm no
Eyampa.
but opposition so pɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ yɛn sɛ ɔyɛ political prisoner
Oh.
then effect ɛna ɛde bɛbrɛ MPP party no ɛwɔ Wontumi case yi a opposition for na fa no sɛ yi bi a personal
Sure.
ade bi ɛnam ebi atemdidie bi okodi ɛyɛ yɛ president Mahama nti ɛna ɔmode no atom
Sure.
a dodoɔ no nso nim sɛ yɛ galamsey nsɛnsɛm
Sure.
ɛna de Wontumi akɔ akɔtom
Sure.
sɛ opposition no kɔ so toa so yɛ wei a deɛ effect
Sure.
ɛna de bɛbrɛ wo
Nana, where the mean wano NC we enra na metie interview bi 1-on-1 Dr. Mustafa Hamid no the then MPA CEO under Nana Akufo-Addo. Now he was also a personal aide to Nana Akufo-Addo between 2008 and 2016 to a point to say Nana Doba abem no be minister for information and son of be minister for Zongos. Now Oka Bibi to say MPP has got to a point that they can't appeal to the elite. They can't appeal to people who deem themselves they are neutral or elite, be a professors, doctors, and those things. What can MPP first now? It was meant for professors, doctors, lawyers, but as of now, we can't appeal to them. And a person one will question AC side way so. Elite ya everyday docket now and everyday judgment. Almost a want to me 84,000%. This is all because a political prisoner. Then I watch many pani believe so a political prisoner. Because who can kind judgment now? Judge you ain't ye you can't say ruling in fee outside. Who can kind judgment now? Offer the evidence, the witness statement of both Wontumi and the prosecutor no. And all the can ask them. Okay, kind judgment no see asema Wontumi e kan ye. And asema ni witness also e kan ye. So when you prove beyond any reasonable doubt, and at the MPP omoye no, one share ni it will render down effects on neutrals. People who want to be neutral be a person joining MPP. Because say no, there seems not to be a serious party of which I want to join. Because I say both MPP and NDC into 50+1 in general elections. Both of them are less than 45%. The floating voters, you know, and on Becca 50+1. This is going to me and appeal to the masses. Say, oh, I am pa won't me there one ye. The moon funny born in Chen cry. It sounds something like a remorse to the general populace. Oh, I am passing and people my job to him say, I don't want to one ye, but they are seeking remorse. Say, more fan channel. But Uba now Becca say, oh, or a political prisoner. Nipa no te we read judgment so no. Ade boss that will be an himself won't my then or ye galamsey. It is a brand dina there's no need to be because you're a political prisoner. Nana, and one meet me account.
Okay, say do medals pa baby before say o de obeko eye Miracle Aboagye issue no so no. I won say aboafo bi
Oh,
and I saw ya sinti yenhwe na inform nsem entuja kakra. Ebusuafo ye be kanfo eye set doors. Ede amamo mo kan aboafo mo so ya sena ye na ye de political review no de ede. Ede bro set doors. Eton eye doors apapapa. Ope Turkish doors apapapa eye quality doors a set doors eton bi. Aside doors on also omoton toilet seat, mattresses, basins, shower taps in an omoton bi or more doors be to say rough doors, smooth doors, bathroom doors ni na no kra na unbreakable. Ena mattresses a papa pa or bed das or blue mattress papa pa or das wa honam enya wo ye nyina no. Set doors ye den eton bi na o hwe set doors e kira kwan omo kumase dadeɛ so aba asafo dadeɛ so aba omone Garden City Radio no ena den edie nimhwe omo ye opposite Garden City Radio bus stop no ena den edie nimhwe na anigi sema ewom ne se okuma se ne mpatamu bia na omo ye free delivery de den edema ona o Ghana afa na be bia otodos no bia omo be deliver ma kama na obetimi afro mo ahomatrofo 0248 293501 0248293501 that's 0598 939560 0598939560 we mone aboafo maso yensa mrepemu no ye de omo akanso nsem beba be dey beba betu nyanti owura se du betimi ato aso.
Okay, Nana, thanks for the commercial break. So right now we are done with Wontumi clocking in his trials the Ghana Enzi Bank. Any Wontumi versus Tano Marine Forest and Wontumi versus Summer Boy cases. Okay, so the next one we are about to talk about Dennis Miracle Aboagye. Dennis is Miracle Ora, or Ora is Miracle Dennis. Which one is which? Okay, so you can send us your thoughts on our Keonna Trends GH. You can follow us, comment, and share the video. Intinana yanka about Yoko versus Dennis Miracle Aboagye. You one Sunday be Dennis Miracle Aboagye our social media. And launching a campaign and then the political campaign so person standing for National Communication Director Emma the New Patriotic Party. Into be share no dey flyer about to say Dennis Miracle Aboagye, I want to stand for the masses and I want to stand for the National Communications Director for the New Patriotic Party. It's all there then, but within a few minutes, they just say, how much Dennis Miracles Aboagye our airport? Say quiet here, so this one of this propaganda or something, sympathy or this, we be. Ampa, no, it's gaining grounds. GFK, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, issue statement, free Dennis Miracle Aboagye, Nana Boakye, I operate for the National Vice Chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Also posted free Dennis Miracle Aboagye, Popo Amasnap, Yoko, Amasia Street Boys, Masses Yoko. You want to say Yoko? It release press statements. Yes, it's true. Dennis Miracle Aboagye on allegations of some 55 million Ghana cedis. Wow, 55 million Ghana cedis. What do you call the old currency now? Around 550 billion. Oh, wow. Oh, Ghana is sweet. Ghana is sweet. Tawana Yoko, Ebe clarify says how much Dennis Miracle Aboagye or some 55 million Ghana cedis. Tawana Yoko in Samano way back here and there. Dennis Miracle Aboagye. I think the next 2 days or so, Omi fee Yoko custody pending bill will come and be immense, so and they removed him from the Yoko custody. It's only by na Dennis Miracle Aboagye ekepen wasem eke obi or sebonsu asempa FM. Only ketina say ekeka nisem say ampa Yoko frame me for questions and answers. But I'm from the 55 million Ghana cedis, some 5 million Ghana cedis audits find this behind and then same baby. Oka semriana Honorable Bernard Bidiako oye akutia star boy akutia MP eba obi asem say hey obi asema woni Dennis e kai die me pa na nche minim sa pa de me na nche manamba ase amba bekasa because asema o kai no bring be say more of you are rushing di wasem mini abra wasem so court okase we na and then in 2 days and then we say Yoko release press statement. So omesizi Dance Miracle freezing the account, the 5 bank account, freezing the bank account. And also the properties the 2 houses and then the 15 acre of land so the sat so. Nini echin no Interministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization. This was the organization Dance Miracles Aboagye was working under from February 2022 to December 2025. Within that period of span, he squandered an amount of 55, allegedly, some 55 million Ghana cedi went into Dennis Miracles Aboagye. So a point say, okay, can IMCCC when press release now? See on HS even Dennis Miracles Aboagye invited him to come to his lawyer's office for them to strike a deal. To a point to say the report findings which suggested that some 100K plus bina ayirano onyifi audit findings in a way they should clear his name from inside. And when the CEO was not eager and was not moved and was not perturbed by Dennis convincing report now person the man into one jantu. It's a one Yoko Edibai say Yoko investigating money laundering causing financial loss to the state. And the fictitious amount to 5,872 contracts awarded to BMABA Enterprise for a district needs assessment and Galamsey reports. But okay, says IMCC, air district assembly senior they were under them. So whatever they need, omona they do provision for them. It's okay, say MPP, communication director na FN, amakube ifin about beka say Dennis Miracles Aboagye at na district assembly sikabi so now asanso at na camp so this when it's a result of this fictitious amounts na claim na omuka wasem no. And I just say BBMA no. Sikebia na say account to procurement they procure that money into a construction company. The same director with no service rendered. And I'm saying the scheme was allegedly used to delay and disguise stolen funds. Because I say Yoko president on by no. Can say even the accountant is pledging a form of plea bargain, is settling his parts into his corner or no is squandered, is settling his stolen money. Says some 558 interest on the investment already diverted by Gerard Appiah. That Gerard Appiah no. Or yes, investment in your air Aboagye, Dennis Miracles Aboagye had the knowledge of it. And then some 4,500 Ghana cedis was released to GAPT for activities outside IMCCODS mandate. The one meaning he squandered a lot of money. Yoko issued administrative freezing directives on 16th and 20th July. So these are all Dennis Miracles sense. What to say MPBA the tenses of Kenny Japan, the tenses of JFK, but like I said, the tenses of Dennis Miracles Aboagye. So on the landed properties is been almost here. The 7-bedroom residential property at Latte. Wow, the guy is richly dope. 2-bedroom residential property at Spintex and residential apartments at Adjogano and approximately 15 acres of land at Latte and 5 bank accounts. Wow. Dennis Miracles Aboagye is rich. So these are the allegations that Yoko are finding. So as Yoko with allegations, they will forward the docket to Attorney General, and the Attorney General will proceed this at the High Court. Jomoko High Court no baba bedi in semu nsemu abu. So we are done with Dennis Miracle Aboagye. But before we go to the next one, maybe some boss say if he has any question that Dennis Miracle boss. Dennis Miracle Aboagye won send be wa person kan wan say man.
Sedu na me bisa say court say omo freezing e dey.
Yoko na
Yoko freezing e dey.
We freezing ni
4 houses.
Yeah.
And 5 bank accounts pending Yoko investigation.
Sure.
4 houses.
It's 3 houses plus 1 acre of land. 115 acres of land.
Dennis Miracle Aboagye.
Hey, Nana.
Oh, fear say.
Yeah, I think it's late 30s or so.
And a position by na tamana.
What can I say? Nana no upper first on man district assembly on man DC.
And Opamo no.
And Sensembe no
Opamo no.
Iti on be 2022 about 2025 no. And call be man say oh I say this or kasapa iti mumpe position be man. So one nana ke share interministerial central for decentralization create bibi show on ke CEO.
And our young boys are so okura 3 houses. Now me who minim des and any fee there. Minim ni who video.
And why white biro.
Okonya says can one you Okonya sa 3 properties. No, dear Juma na no yans. Obey
can you press release 55 million Ghana cedis. Who do call old currency now? 550 billion.
To way in a chino sign court and sempa Ekokasano. Dennis, you're very careful. Young boy like you. Dear Juma now ubenya. Sa. Hey, Debbie, too much.
To be frank,
too
we
much.
are all using the term allegedly.
Mebao, I alleged.
It's true, dear.
I alleged, dear, but
it's true, dear.
I no cry. You normal be was here. Yenny party someone don't you. Sedu.
It's very bad.
I alleged. Ye nim say no cry na no cry. Atisem.
Wow.
Nemum say no cry. You normal be wa yenny politics in tonche.
Very true, very true.
O mine no say da wakoma so a normal be say utia ebe hawo. O mine da wakoma so na so dwene o mine ho a. You party sin chen. Obi o dwene o mine ho no yi ne party sin chen. O do mine chen party. Normal be say no. O meka nkyere me say ye political prisoner. And I say politics in here they attacking no.
Dabi.
Young boy at his age. Ewo adan mako miensa.
15 acres of land.
15 acres of land. And I'm person me who the family background. Me person me who say family no. Sikabi wo mo. How they may read it. Neshe. The family.
I doubt.
You know say okotena sempa no kasa ye onye very careful. Say do no krepa na make achiro no. Dennis Miracle Aboagye, you're very careful. How? Young boy like you that a dime mako miensa. A juma ben aye. Out the binyas are dying we.
Jesus.
Say do it to us.
Sikano kama amam pese me cartons by force.
Oh, there to us.
Oh, Dennis. If it's true, dear Charlie, you know force. If it be true, say you take this amount of money, then Charlie, my guy, try. 55 million Ghana cedis. Let's wait for us the trial starts. Says we are on legal vacation. So someone resuming us say aging at the court, then we see how the matters unfolds at the court. So the next one on our list, our final one is Sedinam Tamaklo. Sedinam Tamaklo, I am being baby now. So I said Sedinam Krapwaba. He said, Kenoforiato also bet me about. In Brendan Kabia, time obviously give time some time. Or course rise of about the short time. It has said in Tamaklo, Mami Way, a former Maslock CEO, under the first regime of John Dramani Mahama. And 2017 no MPP Baba no. Almost some way audits be no updating on me and almost say said in Tamaklo. I procurement be to the point say she has pocketed 500,000 Ghana cedis in her pocket. Into omni mammy court. Omni courts way back year 14. Mammy Fally said no, on feeling well. It's more than granting leave non call US non case seeking medical attention. Into Oko US. Into Oko US is okay seeking medical attention and one and so and baby. Into one baby no the courts you can say trying in absentia the courts did its work without say being present. A friend be jurisprudence, a friend be trying as in absentia. Tom you no mom verdi say, Mammy wedi phone, we did a buying scar, we did room or corrupt until a some money them. I think I saw money them 10 years plus or so. Forgive me. Say one ruling government, a new government to buy. I'm buy no. Before then, it's okay. Now trying abstention to Nia say so they had to go with extradition processes. The Attorney General started extradition processes. US so into the new government even though a munipano if they were supposed to be someone and she be on back so we not take it, but at least they tried. We should give thumbs up for them. They tried and they took it. Almost kefano by. Make a funny by no look two in some, but look two in some, and the lawyers they apply for appeal. But mind you, the appeal didn't start NDC regime. The appeal started MPP regime 2024 ruling by an appeal starts here. It's appeal call year by year for last week in a ruling by 3 judges on appeal do. Unanimously, they all gave their verdict say the prosecutor didn't prove anything beyond doubt to say the woman engaged in any corrupt deals or corrupt practices into ASR. Then the woman has been acquitted and discharged. Into Sedinam Tamakulu and ye acquitted and ye charged being on your corrupt. As she stands now, she has been acquitted and discharged. And then I buy now for a blame. Say I to say and this for omni judicial air canana I to say omu they are only they are freeing their own and opposition they I say they are prosecuting them because I said and this mobile most of the cases are all courts no Atofos and any Richard Japa versus Attorney General no any Collins Dowda any Sagleme House versus Attorney General no any other Combinado 4 versus the agent any most of the NDC cases are all courts even including Oponi Cocoa Board no all courts no ye nolly prosequa can see our cases linear they ended our cases abruptly without seeking any further jurisprudence and any further details in it. Jomo can see our cases in 90 MPPs dimly said no. I said they are favoring their own NDC and they were freeing their own. You be to say Wontumi case in the Wontumi case on Kwasama and so with the case they are now on my book to be sana being I say we are in a banana republic government allegedly. Ti eba sana omukasana mbisi na so omu pese NDC MPP pese omu blame NDC they should blame the Attorney General then Godfrey Dame Yeboah because omu fali appeal no the prosecutor no anfa evidence via anko say the woman indeed was corrupt and now the woman indeed took money from Maslock because kinkai appeals court's judgment in the by now baby akeka kono then we need to go and say charge Ken Oforiatta any Stephen Amwa in Shayeso MP sticker say charge omo because woman here procurement you know sticker any Ken Oforiatta no ko chia sa no this a bibi ba say charge omo because even the woman was even taking interest from the companies those who borrowed money from men. She was even taking interest from those companies. So if you have anybody to go and say charge, then we need to go and say charge sticker any Keonna Political. Meaning say there's another pending case via Eba. And the pending case will be involved between sticker any Keonna Political. Boss, what you was saying be ebisa wo Sedinam Tamakulu cases one.
Sedinam Tamakulu case idea. Meno unse sa case in the name share down for Louis. Me say appeal no we no. In fact, I was disappointed.
Sure.
But later na me real nsem ni mu ye no. Ena me te nsem na se. Me share them real mu ye. But based on near me kan ye ne de. Se sa na tie de a ene mra na ye den. Aye adwuma. Se sa na tie a.
But boss, hold on for now. It's for even though Court of Appeal didn't ruling about the government of the day, I say they are not satisfied and they are not happy with the ruling.
Oh.
So Matisse said they are filing a rift at the Supreme Court. Inti they are seeking,
which is an appeal, and I say.
Inti on say your local high court now said the judgment mawa. If you are not satisfied, you go to the appeal court.
Okay.
And so on the appeal court and so by then you are not satisfied, then go to the apex court.
Okay.
Apex court in the Supreme Court.
Okay.
The Supreme Court in the final directive. The Supreme Court can then everything is final.
Oh,
so they are filing a rift at the Supreme Court, at the apex court to challenge the ruling of the appeals court.
Yes, sitting government.
Sitting government.
A ruling nearby, you know.
They are not happy.
Okay.
So I'm on person they call Supreme Court.
A person might be transparent. Near who say a no crese appeal no more the ama woman no. No se fata se omode mano. And now say beer favoritism beer then. Okay.
So even though they are on legal vacation, they are seeking the permission of the Chief Justice. Say you grant them audience to listen to this application on person follow Supreme Court. It's any same boss bit me at also.
Okay. Say do me say na me can me share that info sir, but based on some of the two Jan mate a woman case in say. But sir mine also say on your satisfied with the case in Nasa or no so as I cause almost science and was new no kure wumpa de a ye betwen ni ahwe na ebesi wum se ekohwem anaso almost science no mu se still woman no odipeme o se jana no kufia ni ehun se sei but omuko hu se bia no se fata so demu a na so mbe sign de na kwa akotuma ye mra na ye den ye adwuma ntimi mani ache aban ne step na wa ye den watiki ewo ye Sedinam tamakulu ne case no nti so far so good eminim se kakra meeting the idea they are to join.
Inti for and then no na me boss guy inti and there are a political segment in BC. But before say be kono e pese catch us say wo ahwe nsu ye. Me sure say unyo bi anyi ntokwa unyo bi anyi manso won sem bia. Guys say NPP NDC we are all one people whether you like it or not. Every four is be I beto aba to be anhwe news ye. Bye bye.
Will win.
Amen.
He will win.
Amen.
Tomorrow's lesson.
Yeah.
It will be a certain Konkotunaba. Who born dog? Who born dog? Who born dog? Who born dog? Excellent who born bois. I decree and declare.
Amen.
By fire, by thunder.
Amen.
By fire, by thunder.